tests confirmed the diagnosis
So
today.
up to date, first
11
case,
a.m.
March 4th,
The
a
patient
Jamaican
and
who
family
traveled
members
from
have been
England.
informed of the development. The patient's infection was travel-related based on the assessment. However, steps are being taken to prevent the risk of community spread. These measures include the dispatch of a health team to the home of the patient for assessment and initiation of public health measures, the identification and contact tracing for all possible exposed persons, meeting of ministry officials with members of staff at the hospital, and the necessary interventions that are required to be put in place. In addition, imposed travel restrictions remain in place. In fact, 3 countries have been added to the list of the 5 that were originally announced. China, Italy, South Korea, Singapore, and Iran are the original countries that was previously made public. We have added to that Spain, France, and Germany. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade and I met this morning with the ambassadors of those countries as well as the EU ambassador, and have informed them that based on the risk assessment of community spread of the virus in those countries, that travel restrictions would be imposed. Further, as part of the overall strategy that was put in effect some time ago, I would like to advise the public to continue to observe and perhaps strengthen their sensitivities to public gatherings, which we are discouraging, non-essential travel. We continue to patrol irregular border crossings. Sensitization of key personnel at all air and sea ports will continue. We have designated 4 quarantine facilities and others will be identified, and those are being used or being prepared to be used. And we are finalizing the retrofitting of isolation facilities in each of the island's public hospitals. On the